no, the fire is burning into the leaves.
Into the liver.
The leaves is going to the fire. The fire is to the water. She's also to the sky. She's also to the sky to the grasshopper. Look guys, she's happy to the sun. She's the motor and motorcycle. She's gamit the tao in the woman. Oh, the air is running up. The fire is burning. Burning. Oh no. Fake or real?
Happy.
Oh no. Fake. Real. Oh my god, ito yung dahon na sinunog natin. Hi guys, ito yung anak na mga asawa natin. Ay, mga anak na mga asawa natin. Ito yung mga ha? Bejohi ko, mapriso ka. Guys, aso. Ay, hindi guys, hindi. Ang ginagamit ni siya guys, inog magsunog guys, kaya na ay sunog. Fireable. Oh no, the fire is go to your cafe. Your cafe is smoke.
Smoking.
Your cafe is smoking. She is cigarette. Oh my god guys, nasusunog yung mga dahon natin. Nahalin sa puno. Guys, naa si Lini guys. Naa si Lini. Dahil nato si Lini oh. Lini Robledo. Contestant number 4. Fate mo. Fate mo. Tung. She's included from science and she was included from the technology. Anak ng mga asawa natin. She's model from the Italy and she was ba't ka happy ka sad? Ano masasabi mo sa panahon natin ngayon ng SEM? Kay Faith nawalan siya ng asawa kasi iniwan siya mga anak natin. Ang dahon ay nasusunog kasi maraming tubig. Kaya nag-aapoy ito kasi hinulugan ng gasolina.
Ha? Biyuda pala na imong video.
Hi guys, ito yung babaeng sinaksak na buhay criminal. Ayan si Faith guys oh. Tignan mo yung action niya, guys. Nakita nyo yon? 'Di ba?
John.
She's blurred from the audience.
No.
No, don't hiccup the aso because the aso is the burning to your body
Tuyog ka
and burning to your skin. To your skin is the burning.
Ang palinita kapaligiran.
Kapaligiran is the world. Wild animals.
John.